Hello, VEA beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maggie Reneé, and I am a Juilliard trained opera singer. Do not forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe if you would like to see more reactions to this artist or group. And don't forget to check out the links in my description for perks, benefits, and behind the scenes you don't want to miss. All of my reactions are created live on Twitch during our live stream, so I hope I'll see you at the next one. But for now, let's get into this reaction. Here we go! This performance is from a concert Patricia gave at the age of 17 in Ostrava in the Czech Republic, where she was much loved. Her career was impacted when she was diagnosed with cancer early in 2022. She underwent chemo, radiation, and surgery and began performing again in early 2023. Sadly, it was not to be. Patricia passed from this world on October 1st, 2023. That's so sad. It's supposedly being performed by a wind-up automation. Her mainspring winds down a couple of times to comic effect. This piece is a good example of Offenbach's penchant for merging humor and beauty. A doll of great musical ability singing a very beautiful but silly song. One that happens to be probably the hardest aria ever inflicted on a coloratura soprano, in my humble opinion, even topping Der Höhle Rache, yes. And now we are going to listen to a 17-year-old take on it. Oh boy. And she has a little Wikipedia page. Patricia Janečková was a Slavic soprano. She was the winner of the Czech-Slovak television show Talent Mania in November 2010 and gained international recognition through the broadcasting of CNN television shortly after winning. Okay. She first performed publicly at the Antonin Dvorak Theater, accompanied by the Janeček Philharmonic Orchestra. Subsequent to this, she went on to win the Talent Mania competition in 2010 at age 12, having received over 1 million votes. In 2014, she won the international singing competition at the Concorso Internazionale. Oh my God, I can't speak anymore. Internazionale di Musica Sacra in Rome. Janečková was noted for her passionate and emotive performances and is known for receiving a standing ovation while performing Ennio Morricone's theme song from Once Upon a Time in the West at the Rodolphinum in Prague. She continued to perform in public while studying privately with Czech soprano Eva. In 2017, she performed the role of Galatea in Handel's I can't remember how is this Axis? Axis and Galatea? Achis? I can't remember how to say that. Achis and Galatea with Collegium Marianum as part of the Janeček Music Festival. Janečková released her self-titled debut album in 2011 at age 13. She went on to collaborate with Czech oboist Willem Veverka on a Christmas album in 2022. Thank you so much, Mike, for sponsoring this video. Guys, let me know what you like and what you don't like. And Mike, let us know if there's anything else we need to know. Here we go.
Pause. Oh, wait. Wait.
Cute. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. No, you don't, Bill. Bill says, Maggie, we want to hear you do this. No, you do not. This is a soprano aria, and she is singing it so beautifully. It's so sad that we lost her, but I mean, I can only imagine what kind of incredible work she would have been doing at this time. She is absolutely beautiful. Everything that she's singing right now is absolutely gorgeous. Like, she's just phenomenal. I mean, this is what I was kind of saying, that sopranos have the ability to advance earlier. I mean, she definitely has a long way to go from 17. Obviously, there's little things that you can see, little tiny whatever things that she can fix as she continues on in her training and stuff like that, or as she would have continued on in her training. But it's so superb already, and at her age, it's like, what do you want? It's great. By the way, she's a perfect example as to why people should not be using age as an excuse not to hire singers. She's perfectly ready to sing this. She's perfect for the role. She sounds phenomenal. Anyways. Pitch perfect. She would have done the aria from Lakme also super, super well. I feel like her voice would have been beautiful in that. That's the one that Julie sang with when I was at the Met competition. I feel like she would sound beautiful on that too. Coloratura. Great. Only 17. What a girl. Wow, she is phenomenal. Perfect. Literally, I wouldn't criticize anything. I wouldn't change anything. I think she's phenomenal. Loved it. There's literally, the high note was perfect. She's perfect. The acting was hilarious. And it was just great. This was an encore. The entire concert was like this. Oh my gosh. I can only imagine. Was it her concert? That's absolutely incredible. I mean, wow. Like, that's an exciting person that, like, would have done really, really well in life. Ugh, how sad. Cancer is a terrible thing. For those of you who don't know, this is why we have the Cancer Fund on my channel. I contribute to the American Cancer Society by you guys supporting and buying our mugs, my mugs that I created. I painted them and I designed the logo on the front, and it's for the Be a Beautiful Person campaign. And it's specifically to prevent, or to go to research to prevent this kind of unfortunate, terrible disease, cancer, that takes too many lives too early. So if you'd like to consider supporting that cause with me, feel free to buy a mug. All of the proceeds from those mugs go towards the American Cancer Society. So, yes. Thank you so much, Mike, for bringing such incredible pieces to the channel. I appreciate you tremendously. Oh my goodness. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see another one of my reactions to this artist or group, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below what video I should watch next. Also, be sure to join us on Twitch for our weekly live streams of music, reactions, and more. Don't forget to check out the links down below in my description for exclusive behind-the-scenes perks and benefits. I am sending you all so much love, and I will see you in the next video.